Describe a time when you taught a friend or relative something. You should say, what did you teach them? Why did you choose to teach them this? How did you go about teaching them? And explain how it felt to teach someone something. One time, I taught my younger sister how to bake a cake from scratch. She had always been interested in baking, but she had never attempted to make a cake on her own before, so I decided to teach her how to do it. First, I walked her through the recipe, explaining each step and the purpose of each ingredient. I also showed her how to measure the ingredients correctly and how to mix the batter to the right consistency. Then, I let her take the lead and guided her through the process, answering any questions she had along the way. It was a great experience teaching my sister how to bake a cake, as it was a chance for us to bond and share a common interest. I was happy to see her excitement as the cake began to take shape, and she was thrilled when we finally took it out of the oven and it looked and smelled delicious. Teaching my sister something new was a rewarding experience, as I got to share my knowledge and passion for baking with her. It felt great to see her confidence grow as she learned new skills, and it was a reminder of the joy that can come from sharing knowledge and experiences with others. In conclusion, teaching my sister how to bake a cake was a memorable experience that allowed us to bond over a shared interest and learn something new together. It was a reminder of the value of teaching and sharing knowledge with others. And it was a rewarding experience to see my sister's excitement as she learned and grew.